Okay, so we just got some mail and Finley's tag came. It says Finley and it has some trees, it has a moon, some stars, and it's like copper rose gold color. My phone number is on the back, but we're not gonna show that. And I got it from Etsy, and the store is called Wild North Dog Tags, and they're from Ontario, Innisfil, Ontario. And they have a bunch of different designs as well, not just these ones, but all of them are like wilderness themed. All the mail that we got today was for Finn. So we've been getting him BarkBox, but we've been having some issues with shipment and the boxes that are coming. So this month, his October box came, was it October or was it September? No, it was a September box. Yeah, his September box gave us a tracking number and it was just untraceable. We contacted BarkBox and they're like, oh, we don't want Finley to miss his box this month, so we'll just send you another one just in case. So we got two of the same box, which when we got it, we realized was not for the month of September. They sent us a box for another month, which I don't know why. So we messaged them again and was like, hey, we've been noticing that the box that we got is not the same as other people's that have been posting on social media. So they sent us one that hopefully is the right one for the month of September. This is how Finley looks. This little tag. Little tag. Okay, let's open your BarkBox. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? So, I know. It says, Secrets of the Rainforest. Okay, so first thing out of the box, and Finley wants it really bad. It's called Bark of the Wild, pork and vegetable blend, soft and chewy. Sourced and made in the USA. Scrumptious real pork is the first ingredient. All-natural recipe that also includes carrots and pumpkins. Do you want to try one? Yeah, I know, you always do. Okay, okay, come on. Be a good boy. Oh, they're cute. Whoa, they smell, what do they smell like? They smell, they smell like something I've eaten before. I think it's something vegan that I've had. It smells very, like fake pork smelling, you know what I mean? Like bacon smelling almost. Oh, it's weird. The texture is very odd. Okay. Pause. Thank you. Sit. 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 Thank you. Okay. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? I know. Okay. Again, Bark of the Wild, chicken blend, soft and chewy. I'm assuming all of them are soft and chewy. Scrumptious protein-packed real chicken. Nutrient-rich sweet potatoes, wholesome apples, and molasses. What? There's egg in here. There's coconut. There's molasses. There's apples. There's a rosemary extract. Okay. Let's see how this one smells. It smells nasty. Thank you. Yummy? Yummy? Everything's yummy to you, let's be real. Okay. Yeah, I did. We finished it. Okay, and then there's another piece of food in here. It's supposed to be two. Whoa. Whoa! It's a frog! It's a frog. Dozer's Dental Chew, size small. Made in the USA, gluten-free, dental health, 100% all natural. Not opening that now, so you can have that later. Now let's look at the toys! Let's look at the toys! What is this? Whoa, what is that? Anita the ant Funny story, Anita is the name of our landlord. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. He loves the toys that come out of this box, man. Here. Oh my god, it's a sloth. Three-toed Monty. I thought it was a sloth. He loves squeakers, like loves. Look at the UGG model. Look at you. Hey guys, so it's actually pretty late in the day. It's around 8:39 p.m. But I had my anatomy exam this morning, went super well. Then I came home, fell asleep because my exam was at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I was super tired. But yeah, then woke up from my nap and I studied. But I've been waiting all day for my packages to come in. So 1 out of the 3 came. I hate it when you order so much and your total was a lot and it comes in a tiny ass box. Like, where's this disrespect coming from? Like, my god, Sephora. If you guys didn't know, I used to work at Sephora, and so I still have friends that work there, and it was the friends and family sale. So I got 20% off of my entire order, so I was kind of just like, screw it. Let's make a purchase. Okay. Like, okay, how many products did I get? 2, 4, 6, 7. I got 7 things. One of my favorite skincare brands of all time is Laneige, and I've been using Laneige for a really long time. I've been using them like even before they came to Canada, when they were still being sold in Target in the States. So this is just a restock of the Water Bank Moisture Cream. Love this stuff, especially in the fall winter time. So hydrating. I'm trying something new from Laneige actually. This is the new Water Bank Dual Layer Face Oil. Now, my skin has been super weird lately. Like the past few months I've been super dry, which I'm usually not. I'm usually like the complete opposite. But yeah, I usually don't use face oils because every single face oil I've used has broken me out like crazy. No matter how many times I've used it, like trying to get my skin used to it, it just doesn't work for my skin. I was seeing it online, and because it's a dual layer face oil, so there's like a more water-based phase in this solution, and there's a more oil-based, so you have to shake it up and it would emulsify. Oh, okay, how do I open this? Oh, interesting packaging. It looks like a teardrop. It's weird. Oh, weird. It looks really weird. Smells amazing. So it's a really light oil. The last oil that I used was the Marula oil from, I think it was Marula, I think that's what it's called, from Drunk Elephant, and way too heavy for my skin. My skin did not like it. This one, it feels oily, obviously because it is an oil, but it feels really light. So hopefully my skin will like this. So I thought this was really interesting. I've never seen this before. Super expensive, especially for this size. It is tiny. This is the Moon Juice Beauty Shroom Plumping Jelly Serum. Okay, let's see. I've been looking for a new serum, so we'll see how good this one is. This is actually minuscule. I can't. Let's see. So it has like a nice gel consistency. Very interesting scent. It's not bad. I would just say it's very earthy. Feels really nice though. I don't know why I bought this. Marketing drew me in, but it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bod Buff. So pretty much it is a smoothing scrubbing mask for your skin. So from what I've read online, you're supposed to put this mask on your body. Well, you can use it one of two ways. So you can use it dry before you go into the shower or the bath, put it on as a mask on your body, leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse off. Or if you want to use it in the shower, you can use it as a scrub. But me, I'm like, this is tiny. How am I supposed to use this on my entire body? Okay, so now these things are more so beauty, makeup related. This is still kind of skincare, but I've never really tried Farsali before, and I was like, hey, let me just give it a try, even though it's very expensive. So this is the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I think this is one of their newest ones. It's a perfecting priming serum. Whoa. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Ew, I don't like this. I don't like the scent. See how much this does blur. But I really don't like the consistency of it. It's really thick. Like, I can barely squeeze anything. I can't even pipette anything into this. Like, nothing's coming in. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, don't think this is gonna work for me, because oh my god, you know what it feels like? It feels like I'm putting glue on my face. You know that feeling of when glue is like starting to dry down and it becomes like really tacky, and it kind of like, if when you rub it, it like it bunches. That's what it feels like. I don't think this made a difference at all, and I literally can't pipe anything. Nothing. Nothing's coming in, nothing's coming out. So I don't know if this is effective or, but we're just gonna try a little bit more, see if it does anything. But I have a feeling this is what I'm gonna return for sure. Yeah, no, don't like it. Don't like it at all. Gross. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I got it in the shade Toffee 420G. Never tried this before. When I did work at Sephora, it was always sold out. Never could find my shade. I think it's gonna be a good shade. Ooh. Lot of coverage. And it does have a very, very strong scent. I hope that goes away when you're actually wearing it. Pretty good shade match. And I like the finish. It's like a satin matte. And then I also got this, which is so cute. Can't remember how much it was. Probably not worth the price, but it's gimmicky and it's cute. So this is the Fenty Beauty 2 Little Mademoiselles. There's just 2 of their mini lipsticks. How the hell do I open this? What? Oh, well, I'm done. Oh my god, they actually make it so hard. Like, I just... So the 2 shades are Griselda and Spain. Super pretty. I am horrible at swatching, so sorry. So that's the end of my Sephora haul, but if I get my other packages tomorrow, then I'll film a little clip and insert it here. Hey guys, so it's the next day and my Other package came, 2 out of the 3, which is good. Don't know where the last one is, but that's fine. We'll figure it out. So this one's actually really, really exciting because this coming Saturday, we are taking baby Finley. Oh, he finally got out of bed. It is currently 12 o'clock and he's been sleeping. There he comes. He heard me. We're taking baby Finley on Saturday to the farm for the first time, which is super, super exciting. I'm back with something on my lips so I don't look as dead. But yeah, so let's get to opening this package. As I was saying, we're going to the farm and I just thought that this would be a really, really cool tool to use for taking videos. Right now I'm just using a regular Manfrotto tripod. I ordered the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I played with one at work and I had to get it. Okay. And by the way, I am wearing the Huda Beauty foundation, the one that I unboxed yesterday, and I am in love. Like, look at my skin. So good. So it comes like this, styrofoam, and then you open it. Ooh, this is crazy. Does it have any battery right now? And no, it looks like it's completely dead. Alright, guess what else came? The last package. Sonos gave us a discount code for their entire website, and my mom's been wanting a like sound bar speaker system for our TV or just in general. So Sonos came out with this new product called I think it's called a Sound Beam, if I'm not mistaken. Beam, that's what it's called, the Beam. So yeah, let's see this guy. Okay. Ooh, I got the black one just because our TV's black. Oh my god. Opening things with one hand is not one of my best skills. Ooh. I'm outside bringing Finley for a walk and it's such a nice day. It's kind of chilly, kind of breezy, but it's so nice. Come on, Finn. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. But yeah, this is just an outro to the video. It's a super, super long video. Pretty much of just me unboxing a bunch of stuff that I bought. But if you guys like this type of video, please let me know because I don't know, I love watching unboxings and I feel like other people do too, so please let me know. But yeah, as I said, we are going to the farm this week, so that's going to be an exciting vlog next week. So keep tuned for that. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!